Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the temple. Number 1. A temple is a holy place. Number 2. Temples have religious significance. Number 3. Temples can be large or small in size. Number 4. Temples are often decorated with beautiful artwork. Number 5. Temples are places of worship and spirituality. Number 6. People visit temples to offer prayers. Number 7. Donations are made for temple upkeep. Number 8. Temples are symbols of cultural heritage. Number 9. Temples can be found all over the world. Number 10. Temples are a symbol of faith and devotion. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.